F is for frog with Hopi. Hello, my name is Hopi, and I am so happy you are here. Today is a very special day because we are going on an adventure to find the letter F. Can you say F? It makes a soft FFF sound, like a gentle breeze. Look at this big, bright letter. Ribbit, ribbit, do you hear that? Down by the pond, someone is playing. It is a little green friend with very springy legs. F is for frog. Can you hop like a frog? Hop, Hopi, hop. Look into the sparkly blue water. Swish, swish goes a tail. A bright orange friend is blowing tiny bubbles. F is for fish. Wiggle your hand like a fish swimming through the waves. Hopi has a little helper on her journey today. Meet Flicker. Flicker is a tiny bird who loves to find hidden treasures. Follow me, chirps Flicker. I wonder what we will find next. Oh, look at all the colors. Red, yellow, and bright purple. They smell so sweet and feel so soft. F is for flower. Hopi leans in close to see the pretty petals. Flicker leads Hopi toward a big red building. It has a tall roof and a loud cock-a-doodle-doo coming from inside. F is for farm. There are so many animals to meet here. Around the farm, there is a long row of white wood. It keeps the cows and horses safe inside the field. F is for fence. Hopi loves to balance and play. Playing makes Hopi very hungry. Flicker flies up to a tree and brings back a delicious treat. It is juicy and sweet. F is for fruit. Strawberries are Hopi's favorite. The sun is going down, and the sky is turning purple. Suddenly, tiny yellow lights begin to blink in the tall grass. It's magic. F is for fireflies. Can you catch a little light? We found so many F words today. Frog, fish, flower, farm, fence, fruit, and fireflies. But the best F word of all is right here. F is for friends. Hopi and Flicker are the best of friends. What F words can you find in your house? F is for frog with Hopi. Subscribe Hopi and Friends.